You're thinking about starting some strength training, but you're not going to work with the trainer. What is the single most important thing you can do to make sure you get some value out of your strength training? Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. People who don't work with the trainer are just less likely to be consistent with their strength training. So if you're going to do some self-guided workouts, the most important ingredient is to make your workouts doable. That can be done by choosing full body workouts that include 6 to 10 exercises that work your entire body a couple times a week. That is going to make it 1,000 times more doable to adhere to that strength training routine versus doing a split routine where you're doing different body parts on different times. Those workouts are much higher in volume and much harder to stick to. So choose full body workouts if you're not working with a trainer. But if you want that accountability, working with the trainer is a great way to achieve it.